In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make beautiful Confluence pages. By the end, you'll know how to structure content with layouts. Create a clear visual hierarchy. Use white space and dividers effectively. Add engaging visuals, and keep everything consistent, all while making your pages easier to read and navigate. Start by shaping your page with sections and columns using the /layout command. Think about what the reader needs to see first. For data-heavy content like tables, give them a wider column so numbers and labels don't feel cramped. For text-heavy sections, choose narrower columns to improve readability and keep line lengths comfortable. You can mix a wide column for a table alongside a narrow one for notes or context. Don't be afraid to experiment, but keep it purposeful. Next, establish a strong visual hierarchy with headings. Use heading 1 for the page title only. Then use heading 2 for your main sections, like Overview, Requirements, or Results. Within those, use heading 3 for subsections. This structure makes the page instantly scannable and helps readers jump to what they need. Keep headings short, descriptive, and consistent in tone, and avoid skipping levels, so the outline remains logical. Give your content breathing room with white space. Resist the urge to pack everything into one block. Empty layout sections can be intentional design elements that guide the eye and reduce cognitive load. Break longer text into shorter paragraphs and place related content close together, leaving space around each section to prevent clutter. Use dividers to separate major sections clearly. A simple horizontal line signals a shift in topic and helps the reader reset. Use them sparingly so they remain meaningful. To add personality and visual interest, include banners and images. A high-quality header image from a reputable source or your own library can set the tone and reinforce your message. Keep images relevant, cropped neatly, and balanced so they don't overpower the text. Sprinkle in icons or emojis and headings and inline text to draw attention to key ideas. Keep them tasteful and consistent in style and frequency. For long pages, add a table of contents macro at the top. Configure it to include your heading 2 and heading 3 levels so readers can jump directly to sections. It updates automatically as you edit, which keeps navigation effortless. Finally, apply consistent colors, layouts, and heading styles across your space. Reuse the same column patterns, heading sizes, and accent colors so every page feels related. Consistency builds trust and makes maintenance easier. Thanks for watching.